Hey, it's Polina, and today I'm going to tell you something that might be hard to hear. Nobody will pay you unless your website says the right thing. Not literally with words, but with vibes, with design, with strategy, with your catalog, with your tools. And if your site doesn't say the right things, people scroll, click away, and your sale disappears. So today we are fixing that. Let's talk about what your website needs to say silently, instantly to actually make sales. Does your website say luxury? Your site design is the very first impression. It takes less than 5 seconds for your visitors to decide whether they trust you and whether your brand feels premium. If your homepage looks outdated, cluttered, or random, people won't believe your product is worth their money. Your website needs to scream, "We've got standards." That's why your design should match your product line. Selling baby and kids accessories? Go for something soft, playful, and parent friendly. Running a home and garden store? Choose the clean, cozy theme that feels inviting and practical. And most importantly, update your theme for every season and event. People expect relevance. That's how you stay ahead of your competition. Pro tip: inside your Sellvia dashboard, you will find a ready to use design themes for every season and event. Just browse, click, and switch. It takes seconds. Does your website say high demand? You can have the prettiest store in the world, but if your products are outdated, bye-bye conversions. Your catalog should reflect exactly what's hot right now, what's trending on TikTok, what's in Reels, what people are already searching for on Google. Because nobody going to pay you for last season leftovers. The easiest way to do this? Don't guess. Use Sellvia's ready-to-sell product packs curated around real trends, real demand, and real profit margins. Here's what you'll find inside your dashboard: weekly and monthly bestsellers, the top performing products right now, updated constantly so your store stays fresh and competitive. They've been tested, they are fresh, they convert. So make sure your website says, "I sell what people want." Seasonal and event packs, fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, all prepped and optimized for high conversion seasonal selling. Social media hits, products going viral on TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, and Instagram. If it's trending, we've already added it. Niche specific packs, from kids and parenting to fashion, sports and outdoor, and home and garden. We've got collections tailored to every market. Does your website say high ticket? Listen, not every visitor to your store is hunting for discounts. Some are ready to spend big, but only if you show them something worth it. If your site only has $10 mugs and $15 phone cases, you're leaving money on the table. Your site needs to say, "I've got something premium for you." That's why I always recommend adding at least a few high-ticket products to your store, even if it's not your primary focus. Sometimes just one sale can mean 300, 500, or even 1,000 in profit. Want to attract high-value shoppers and boost your profits fast? Head to your Sellvia dashboard and check out these high-ticket product packs. 1,000 high-profit products with massive margins. Handpicked items that can earn you 300 to 3,300 per sale. Lux Living Collection. 500 premium furniture finds perfect for shoppers upgrading their homes. High-ticket products niche bundle. 5-in-1. Luxury gear for cars, pets, kids, fashion lovers, and home decor fans. These aren't just impulse buys, they are statement products, and they boost your store's credibility instantly. Does your website say, "Come back again"? Not everyone buys on their first visit. I wish they did, but if you're not emailing visitors after they leave, you're losing money. Full stop. Your store needs to say, "Hey, still thinking about the item? Here's a special deal." And the best way to say that? The Sellvia email marketing tool. It installs a banner on your homepage to collect emails, then triggers automated sequences. Welcome flows, product highlights, discount, and seasonal promise. No writing, no tech skills. You just turn it on and let the system work. And email works. Even basic campaigns can increase your conversion rate by up to 500%. Does your website say, You can find me everywhere, even if your store looks amazing. If no one can find it on Google, it's like talking to a wall. Search visibility equals free traffic. Free traffic equals free sales. Your store needs to say, Google loves me. That's where the Google SEO backlinks tool comes in. This tool helps boost your store authority and rank on Google by building high-quality backlinks from trusted sites like Google, Bing, Yelp, and LinkedIn. And don't worry if you've never done SEO before. It's beginner friendly and everything is step by step. The result? More authority, better Google rankings, and way more free traffic over time. Your website should say, I rank on page 1, and this tool helps you get there. So, what does your website say? If it's saying meh, random, or outdated, people will feel that and bounce. But when it says luxury, high demand, high ticket, come back, you can trust me, you turn browsers into buyers, visitors into fans, clicks into cash. So what's next? If you want your site to say the right things, go to your Sellvia dashboard. Explore product packs, marketing tools, design themes, turn them on, watch the results. Everything is already done for you. You just have to activate it. All the links are under this video and your dashboard is waiting. Thanks for watching and remember, they won't pay you until your website says exactly what they need to hear. I'm Polina and I'll see you where the magic happens, inside your dashboard.